Welcome to the ToolHound Learning Center. Let's run through the different methods of adding inventory in ToolHound 6. There are multiple methods of adding inventory, and each one has its own benefits. Manually adding inventory is best suited for an established system where you're adding parts, serialized assets, or receiving quantity items daily, weekly, or less frequently. These tasks can be done in the browser or on the mobile app. Importing inventory is best when first setting up your ToolHound database or later on when you have a large amount of inventory to add. This is done through the browser. For established systems using the purchasing module, receiving new serialized items or consumable and small tool quantities against a PO can be done in the browser or on the mobile app. The API can be used by your IT personnel to programmatically move inventory information into ToolHound from another database or application at any time. It's generally part of an ongoing workflow. Thanks for watching this video from the ToolHound Learning Center. For any questions, contact our support team.